Viking Runes of Destiny, Paracord Bracelet, Shark Jawbone, created with the Paracord 550 and the Paracord Type 1. So if you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet, stay tuned cause tutorial is right around the corner. Enjoy and have fun! Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. For today's project we're gonna use this green Paracord 550, two separate pieces, and gold Paracord Type 1. Also we're gonna need Viking runes and buckles. But before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet I am wearing today, or this one here, you have the full tutorial in the top right corner of this video, information cards, also down below in the description box as well. So that being said, we can start. We're gonna take our runes first and our green Paracord. So now when we pull our green Paracord through our runes, we're gonna insert our cords into the buckles. And from here we're gonna find the center for the runes. So we need to have the equal length from this side to this side here. And now on the one end I'm gonna create a basic cobra knot just to lock this end here. So we'll have the firm and even structure of a paracord or our bracelet core. So from here we're gonna create our first knot. We're gonna take our right side green Paracord and pass it from the top into the middle, like so. And we're gonna take our left Paracord and we're gonna pass it again from the top into the middle. And we're gonna return it from the back through the loop on the right side here. And from this end we're gonna take our gold Paracord Type 1 and we're gonna insert it next to this strand here, this right strand. So through, then under, and to this side here from the top, like so. Now we're gonna singe it. So from here we're gonna take our left side Paracord and we're gonna pass it from the top into the middle, like so. And with our right side Paracord we're gonna do the same from the top into the middle, but we're gonna return it from the back through the loop on the left, like so. And we're gonna do the same with our gold Type 1 Paracord. So from the top into the middle here, and then from the back through the loop and proceed. Cinch it well. Now we're gonna take our right side green from the top into the middle, and with the left strand again from the top into the middle and from the back through the loop on the right side. And we do the same with the gold type 1, so from the top into the gap and from the back through the loop. Now from here we're gonna simply turn our jig and we're gonna proceed to this side here, and on the end we're gonna cut off this excess of a paracord and melt it down. So we're gonna undo our cobra knot or a Solomon weave here, and again we're gonna create the knot from the right side, so from the top into the gap, and from the left side from the top into the middle, and then from the back through the loop. Take the gold paracord type 1 and follow this side of a strand of a paracord, so under, through, over and to the side. So here we are, our today's project is finished, our bracelet is done. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. As you can see here, you can play with these runes. They go around and around. So that being said, until the next time, I'm wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!